loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again. If you are new here, my name is Joy, and on this channel I talk about everything skincare, natural hair, DIYs, tutorials and the likes. So please consider subscribing to this channel for more of this. Now in today's video, this video is a different video entirely. Like, I've never tried this before. Like, I'm kind of nervous right now, so I'm going to be doing a vlog today. Like, as you can see, my hair is freshly washed. Like, I just finished washing my hair and I want to go make my hair now. Like, I want to get braids done, but not the regular braids, right? When we get to the salon, we're going to talk about more about that. So I'm going to make my hair today. So I'm just like, let me try out this vlog of a thing out. Let me see how it turns out. But I'm a bit nervous, like, because I'm scared that it will not turn out well. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I just finished calling my hairdresser now, and she said she's already at the salon, so I'm just going to go over to her salon to make my hair. I'm going to show you when I get there. I'm going to show you guys the hair, the style I'll be making. All right, so I pray this video turn out well. Like, seriously, I'm kind of nervous. This is my first time making a vlog. If it turns out well, yeah, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my head. Alright, so enough of the talking. I'll see you guys when I get there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
My hairdresser didn't have the color I wanted to use, so I had to go get that from another store, as you can see from the shadow. Yeah. So I couldn't vlog the store I got the extension from. Sorry guys, I'm still new into this vlog of a thing here. So yeah, this is my hairdresser's salon. Yeah, trenches. Yeah, it's giving trenches vibes, right? So we're about to start making the braids now, and guys, I couldn't film much at the beginning of the video because yeah, I dread making braids, like so painful. So at the beginning I was still adjusting to the pain that comes with braiding. Yeah, so this is me here just admiring the back of my hair, and the woman was so fast. Like, honestly, like, it didn't even take me up to 4 hours in getting all these braids done. Yeah, she was that fast. And I was trying to show you guys the braids here. Like, you can see my scalp, like, so neat. Yeah, as I like my braids. So now the heat was already killing me. Like, I had to start fanning myself because no, it is not me that heat will come and kill. So I was touching my hair here because I noticed that it was getting dry again, and the funniest part is that I washed this hair this morning, and I was even thinking that I will not be able to install the braids because my hair will still be very wet. I was surprised that my hair was already getting dry. Even the hairdresser was like, she's surprised that my hair is already dry. She was thinking that it will still be wet because she wanted it to still be wet because then my hair will be soft. So we were just talking about how people with natural hair or people who have once had natural hair do complain about how their hair is so difficult to manage, difficult to handle. And honestly, you only need your spray bottle and your shea butter. Like, as you can see, my spray bottle from my brand, yeah, I brought it to the salon because that is what I've been using to manage my hair, just my water inside my spray bottle and my shea butter. I actually bought this to the salon because I thought my hair would get dry at some point and then the hairdresser will be unable to handle my hair or part my hair. So I brought it to the salon in case, so that I can just spray my hair with it and then she'll be able to handle my hair. And honestly, if people ask me that what have really helped me to still manage my natural hair till date, is spray bottle, water and shea butter. Honestly, like once you have these two things, honestly, your hair will be easy for you to manage, easy for you to handle without it being painful. Yeah, this is me just lamenting to my mom about how this year has cost me a lot. Like I've spent above my budget, so I was just trying to scope her. Maybe she's going to refund me the money. Yeah. So she's done braiding the hair and she's just trimming it to make sure the hair looks neat and presentable. She's done trimming the hair and we are just waiting for the hot water or for the water to boil so that she can dip the tip of the braids in it. So the hot water is ready now and I couldn't film the back. There was no one to help me film the back, but I'm just going to try to explain what she was doing here. So you know the normal way you dip your braids into hot water after you're done? Yes, that's basically what she's doing here. So she simply took a section of the hair, then she dipped it in hot water, removed it, combed the tip, and then she added this spray something, I don't know the name. Sprit, yeah, it's called spritz. So she sprayed it with it before tonguing it. So she used the manual tonger to try to tongue the tip of the hair because I wanted a bigger coils. I'll show you guys the picture of the braids or the hair I wanted to make, which I showed her, but at the end of the day she got it wrong. Like she didn't get the style. It was just like what I ordered versus what I got. Yeah. Like I regretted spending so much money on this hair because she didn't get the style I wanted to make actually. But yeah, so she tried using the manual tonger to try to tongue the tip, but she was like it's going to take her a whole lot of time because it takes a longer time to get dry because there was no lights and your baby girl was not about to drop money for petrol. No, nah. Not after spending that much money. So instead of the manual tonger, she changed it to a rollers instead. So instead of using the manual tonger to try to tongue or roll the braid, the tip of the braids, she decided to use rollers. So after dipping the hair in hot water and spraying it with that spritz bottle, then she just used the rollers to roll the tip up. Then she used a bobby pin to hold the rollers in place. So that was just basically what she did to the whole of the hair until we were done. So yeah, we're already done with the rolling process and I'm just waiting for it to dry a bit before they unravel the coils. And here I was sitting, hoping, anticipating the coils, but unfortunately the coils didn't come out as I expected. So sad. So guys, she's finally done with the braids and this is how the hair is looking like. This is how the coils are looking like it's so all over the place. Like this was totally different from the style I wanted to make. I'm going to insert the picture of the hair I wanted to make, the hair I showed that, and you can see my face like I wasn't happy at all. I was just pretending.